how to change password of your business email account in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. To create a business email account, enter the Email Accounts section under Email in this cPanel settings page. To change the password, select the business email account first. Click the Manage button that you see here on the same row as the email account. Next, in this page, in the Security section, in the New Password field, you can either generate a new password or you can type in the new password. And finally, click the Update Email Settings button to change the password of the business email account. And done, this is how you can change the password of the business email account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.